The subject for this public hearing is affordable housing needs. We have received a request from Wayne Oswald, President of the Bank of Inverness, to appear to discuss the efforts being made on behalf of the bank to assist in affordable housing needs for Citrus County.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm John O'Donnell from the Brannan Banks. On behalf of George Brannan, Chairman of the Board of the Brannan Banks of Florida, I want to thank the Commissioners, Nick Bryant, Harry Bartell, David Langer, Wilbur Langley, and Chester White for the invitation to appear before you today and give you some information about the needs we feel are needed in the community. As we are all aware, the home building industry and the building trades are an important part of Citrus County's economy. At the Brannan Banks, several new programs, building programs, and home improvement products have been developed to assist area residents achieve affordable housing. Information about these products is available at any of our locations and also at the Citrus County Housing Authority in Lecanto. We have met with Stan Fetterman several times, and we have an excellent working relationship with Stan. It has been reported that we have 4,000 substandard homes in Citrus County. We encourage the Commission to continue their county-wide effort to improve the housing in the county by continued funding to the Housing Authority. In your official capacity and as individual citizens, you come in contact with people seeking housing assistance. Please let us know of these people, and if we can assist them in any way possible, we will do so. I believe it's imperative that we work together in partnership to improve housing throughout the county. I'm going to give to you each a series of brochures that you can take back with you, explain some of the programs that we have available at our Brannan Banks. And at this time, I'd like to ask Wayne Oswald, the President of the Bank of Inverness and all Vice President of Brannan Banks, to talk briefly, and then he in turn will introduce Joe Levin, who updates and will give you an update on our secondary mortgage. Wayne Oswald. Wayne.
Good afternoon and greetings to all of you from all the folks at Bank of Inverness and the other Brannan Banks. I do want to thank you for this opportunity to be here today and appear before you and discuss some of the new mortgage programs and initiatives that our group of banks has established in an effort to better serve the credit needs of our community. Although we are participating in many new affordable type programs, our efforts to serve the credit needs of this county are not new at all. We've been around the Bank of Inverness since 1926, the bank has, serving this county. We wanted you and the public at large to know of the availability of the new programs that we have, specifically the ones for affordable housing, and we are here today to speak to that in some detail in just a moment. We also want to encourage you to continue to work with the business and private sectors to ensure the type of environment where the public can be assured of the availability of quality, affordable housing with a minimum of regulatory burdens and cost. Thank you again for the opportunity to address you today. I'd like to have Joe Levin, who is our Vice President in charge of our secondary market mortgage department, to come, and he's going to explain to you in some detail some of the initiatives that we are involved in. Joe.
Thank you. Good afternoon. On behalf of Brannan Banks and our Citrus County banks, namely the Bank of Inverness, Crystal River Bank, and Homosassa Springs Bank, I'd like to tell you about our financing programs for affordable housing. Brannan Banks is a participant in the current first-time homebuyers program sponsored by the Florida Housing Finance Agency. The program we have chosen offers a low rate and down payment to help people buy their first home. We are offering 30-year fixed-rate mortgages at 7.81% with no down payment for 100% financing. Also, if their annual income for the household is $29,000 or less, $1,700 of that loan would be without interest and without any monthly payments. The loans can be used to purchase either an existing home or a to-be-constructed one. The maximum loan amount in Citrus County is $67,500. The monthly payment of principal and interest on a $40,000 loan under this program would be $276. On a $30,000 loan, it would be $216, and on a $25,000 loan, it would be $180 per month.
What was that first figure?
on $40,276
$40,000.
a month for principal and interest. That's 30-year fixed rate. The bond authority has advised us that we're the only lender in the state of Florida offering this particular program under the current bond issue. Brannan Banks also offers the Farmers Home Guaranteed Housing Loan Program. This is a government-guaranteed program for moderate-income families who cannot afford a down payment to purchase a home. This program also offers 100% financing for a 30-year fixed rate, plus the seller can pay part of the closing costs, up to 3% of the purchase price. This loan can also be used for the purchase of either an existing or to-be-constructed home. The limit in Citrus County for the loan is also $67,500. Brannan Banks closed the first loan in the state of Florida under this new program. We also offer the Farmers Home Subsidy Program for low and very low income families. This program enables these families to purchase decent, safe, and sanitary housing. The federal government subsidizes the interest rate for those without enough income to pay a full mortgage payment. We counsel and pre-qualify possible applicants and work directly with Farmers Home to obtain this financing. We also offer both FHA and VA loans, which feature low and no down payments for eligible applicants. These can be either fixed or variable rates. Brannan Banks also offers a wide range of conventional mortgage programs to help with the different financing needs of affordable housing, such as programs that only require a 5% down payment, refinancing for as much as 90% of value, including money for closing costs and to pay off more expensive second and third mortgages. We guarantee rates during the application period so that the loan originally qualified for is still available at closing, regardless of what happens to rates in the meantime. We offer low minimum loan amount. There is no minimum amount for the bond program. We offer temporary buy-down programs for those that want the safety of a 30-year fixed rate, but who don't quite qualify. This program allows the applicant to buy down their own rate for the first few years. This not only allows them to qualify for the loan, but also lowers the payments during years 1 and 2 until their income increases somewhat or they've paid off some bills. We offer adjustable rate loans with initial rates as low as 4.5% today. This allows folks to more easily qualify for the amount of money they need for a decent place to live. Also, the annual and lifetime rate caps work off of this initial low rate. Also, lower rate loans amortize more quickly, and of course, the initial monthly payments are also less. We offer no-point programs to help keep closing costs low and affordable. We offer adjustable rate financing that can be converted to fixed rate later on without having to reclose. These convertible loans let homebuyers get the amount of financing they need with the payment that they can afford, and an option to convert the loan later on to a fixed rate without having to spend closing costs a second time. We offer 30-year fixed rate loans for investors in rental properties of 1 to 4 units. This ensures low, stable monthly payments on their properties over the long term, allowing more people to purchase or build this type of property and adding to the rental pool in the county. We're also able to guarantee rates for 6 months while a house is being built, in particular on the 30-year fixed rate programs, which is more suitable to folks who are not necessarily going to have increases in their income over the years. This allows them not to have the uncertainty of what interest rates will do between when they first apply for the loan and when the house is completed. We also offer programs that do not require substantial established credit. We have been successful in working with people who do not have a great deal of credit.